At BlenderCon last year, Ton emphasized about something he's never said before.
Money, right? The source of all evil. So we should talk about money for once here.
So what does this mean? Is Blender in financial trouble? Well, rest assured, Blender isn't going bankrupt or about to shut down, but needs our help to sustain its growth and development. But the question is, why now? Well, as Ton emphasized during his keynote address at the Blender conference, the organization is working on groundbreaking projects, or projects like Vulkan integration for better performance, Grease Pencil, free advancements for revolutionary 2D animation workflows, and more. These features will not just be for hobbyists, but will be designed to help Blender break into professional pipelines and compete with industry giants like Autodesk. Blender's ambition is clear: to push boundaries and remain at the forefront of 3D creation technology. But ambition requires funding. Did you know that out of Blender's 20 million annual downloads and 2 to 4 million active users, only 10,200 people donated in 2023? That's less than 0.05% of users supporting this incredible free software. And as of now, in the making of this episode, Blender has about 7,438 active monthly contributors and 31 corporate patrons, collectively providing $204,227 per month. While this represents ongoing support, it's unclear how the total number of donors for 2025 will compare to the 10,200 who contributed in 2023, but that number could grow if more users choose to support Blender's future. Think about it. Millions of people use Blender to create stunning animations, build careers, and bring their creative visions to life every day. And yet the number of contributors is shockingly small. Blender is being downloaded every second. By the time you finish watching this video, it will have been downloaded probably hundreds of times. Yet, despite its massive user base, Blender operates on a shoestring budget of just $3.2 million annually. This limited funding threatens Blender's ability to develop cutting-edge features, improve modeling tools, fix bugs, or even compete with commercial 3D software giants like Maya or Houdini. Blender relies entirely on donations and sponsorships to function. Without sufficient funding, the software we all rely on could stagnate or even fall behind commercial alternatives. In 2023 alone, Autodesk earned $5 billion compared to Blender's $3 million in donations. Imagine what Blender could achieve if it reached just 2% of its users donating. That would increase its budget from $3 million to an estimated $18 million annually, enabling faster implementation of innovative features, better support for professional pipelines, enhanced user experience, and learning resources. This isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about transforming Blender into an even more powerful tool for creators everywhere. I know donating might not be an option for you, but here's the thing, even encouraging others to donate can make a huge difference. If everyone watching this video donated just $5, it could fund days or even weeks of development work for Blender. So if you've ever used Blender, professionally or non-professionally as a hobbyist or as a freelancer to bring your creative projects to life, or if you simply believe in the incredible potential of free and open source software, take a moment to reflect. Has Blender helped you grow as an artist or even launch your career? If the answer is yes, now is the perfect time to give back. By doing so, you're not just supporting Blender, you're investing in the future of creativity for everyone. So visit the Blender Development Fund at fund.blender.org and join the 2% and become part of something extraordinary. But if donating isn't an option for you right now, like I said, no pressure. Just spreading the word among your friends and colleagues can still make a huge impact. So if you've made it this far into this episode, you're a real hero. Comment the word hero so we know you're one of the heroes standing with us to support Blender. The recent Blender Conference 2024 highlighted just how passionate and dedicated this community is. With over 600 attendees and nearly 90 talks, it showcased not only what makes Blender special, but also what's possible when people come together to support open source innovations. From talks on color management to groundbreaking character animation techniques, the conference demonstrated how far we've come and how much further we can go with your support. Check out the Blender Conference 2024 recap and more exciting content on the Blender YouTube channel, link in the description. So yeah, that's all for today. Just remember, Blender isn't just a software, it's a community, a symbol of what's possible when people come together to create something extraordinary without barriers or limitations. So by joining the 2%, you're not just supporting development, you're investing in creativity, innovation, and freedom for millions around the world to create. So let's make sure the future of this creative tool is secure, and we'll never have to imagine a world without Blender. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.